So obviously this hair is black, blackity black, and I love it. So I Hey you, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Sylvia, and if you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you, I appreciate you. So today, obviously based on the robe, based on the title, based on the hair, this is going to be a hair video. This is going to be a hair review that I purchased from Amazon. So in this review, I'm gonna make this video very nice and short, so I'm just gonna get straight to the point. So this hair is 4 bundles of 28 inches and it is Indian hair, but the closure is a 5x5 closure, and it is Peruvian hair, and it is 20 inches long. So obviously this hair is blackity black, and I love it. So I decided to like color the hair black, jet black, because I don't have anything black in my closet. So I was like, I do have black hair, but it's more like 1B or like, you know, 2 type hair. It's not really black, and I'm like, ooh, I want to get black and make it bone straight. So the hair in itself was body wave, but obviously I colored it and I straightened it like so. So the closure, I liked the closure because it wasn't transparent, it wasn't dark green brown, it was just a natural brown that I feel like you could wear it for any skin type, any skin color, whether you're like in the darker side or in the lighter side, because it was just nice and natural. Okay, so I did make a mistake. I over bleached the closure, but it's okay because I'm making it work right now. Okay, you can clearly see it's over bleached, but you know, with me, I gotta make it work. I gotta make something work, you know, something gotta give. So, and it is nice and full. The only reason is laying out this flat is because I use my hot comb to like the extreme, and also I made this wig with a sewing machine. So those are the 2 reasons, and this was my first time actually making a wig with a sewing machine, so I'm still learning. I still have like a little bit of bump here and there, but you can't really see unless you like so close, and like why you so close, back up. I do like the hair. So it is true to length, it is nice and soft. The only thing that I don't like about the hair is it does shed. Okay, and the hair wasn't like super cheap to the point where it should be shedding, you get it? So the hair was about, just the bundles in itself was about 180, and the closure was like 50, something like that. So together it was a good solid 250. Okay, so, and I purchased cheaper hair and it didn't shed this much. But anyways, I did also cut the width when I was, you know, sewing it, but I still feel like that shouldn't be enough reason for it to be shedding. It does shed, but it's not like, oh, when you walk in your hair is just falling out. It sheds a little, it sheds, so just keep that in mind. It is true to length. It was nice and long. I actually had to like trim it. I don't know if you can see that's been trimmed, but it was trimmed. It's also full to like from head to like toe head to toe, from like, yeah, it's also full, so that's a good thing. Will I purchase this hair again? I would, but in a shorter length, and because I feel like it doesn't hold well to curl. This isn't the first time I'm wearing this hair, however this is the first time it being like bone straight, and baby butter, because it is going through like nothing. Okay, it is sliding through, and I love it. But yeah, I wanted to bring you guys a nice short video. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe, because you're gonna be getting good deals from me, good, you know, hair videos, good haul, shoe, clothes, everything, baby. It's me and you, okay, together. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.